We just loaded in here at Canada Creek Ranch, Horsehead Lake in Atlanta, Michigan. And we're going to be heading down this beautiful channel. We're going to be exploring and having a good time.
Yes, sir.
Tom Whitmire, Jack Harriman, Ben KLUMP, UPNORTH Outdoor Adventures.
Aloha.
And let's get to it. I'm going into the unknown abyss. So we're heading down here, down this channel here. We're gonna cross this old Beaver Dam. We're gonna have to pick up some speed to cross it. You know, it's gonna be a tough one, but I think we can make it.
Oh, he's getting some speed. You through?
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying. And we're gonna cross this Beaver Dam. As I'm picking up speed, make sure to like and subscribe to UpNorth Outdoor Adventures. Help the channel support and grow, everything like that. Here we go.
More speed. I want you to stand up a little and walk to the front to put your weight. Like just shuffle to the front. Your weight will move to the front of the boat. And then it should make you go down. There it is.
We got it, guys. All right, one of how many days?
Keep going. Keep going.
It's not letting me do what I want. I made it.
Out here.
Yeah. We just made it into the Canada Creek. And now we're going this way.
Yeah.
I'm here too, by the way.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Ben KLUMP, Jack.
Yeah.
We are about to take a journey where we started in Horsehead Lake, went through the channel into the Canada Creek. We've gone through 2 beaver dams already, but this creek is going to go into the Black River, and the Black River goes into Lake Huron, Michigan. And from the Great Lakes, you can go out the St. Lawrence Seaway and around the world. So we are going to just, every year, we're going to pick up a different portion of this course.
Yes.
And we're going to go from the start of the Canada Creek all the way into Lake Huron.
At some point.
And we're going to, by doing different chunks of this. And we're going to be like following our forefathers' steps. And your great-grandfather used to bring his canoe into Lake Horsehead there almost every night. So not only are we following the steps of our ancient ancestors, but we're also following the steps of my grandfather and Ben KLUMP's great-grandfather. And with that, boys, hit the rapids.
We're going to be off to Lake Huron.
Hit the rapids.
Here we go. I'm going first. Go, Jack.
See you on the other side. Keep her in the middle.
Oh!
Hit it, Ben KLUMP.
Jack just crashed. Let's go.
That was a double doink. We are fast approaching a giant beaver dam. It's so new that the leaves are still on the branches that are making the dam, and it is very high. This is a very high beaver dam. I think we're just gonna ride the dam down.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna carry it.
Oh my gosh, this is huge. What is that, 10 foot? How high is that?
Dude, that's at least 10 to 12 feet high.
It's brand new.
A beaver.
For real? Point.
Like right over there. I saw it.
On the shore or in the water?
It was on the shore. I'm a whole rock. Scurried away, but I saw it.
Jack, you got a plan?
I mean, I think I'm just gonna go down this, climb onto the boat, and then get my seat, and then we'll just paddle from there.
All right, plan.
That's what I'm thinking. And my
Are you clear? Is he clear? Will it work?
Where'd he go?
What? Will it work? I made it, dude! Oh my god. Dude, you're crazy! Oh my god! Oh my god!
No!
Oh my god! No way!
You dirty
No
dog!
way, dude! Jack, tell me what happened.
Well, I thought my plan was just fine.
Dude, I thought we were taking you to the hospital. Are you kidding me?
Yo! This is sick. I know. Oh,
Jack's got it. Keep going to avoid those branches or move them with your hands. He went with the limbo. And this is what happens when you kayak where nobody kayaks.
what is this?
Nobody's gone through and opened up the trail. It's just one man for himself.
I'm going backwards.
Well, you better get turned around, buddy. Okay, bring your paddle. There you go. Use those branches. Ben's coming through.
Oh boy.
Go backwards, a little crash.
Tunnel. Try not to hit Tom here. Oh, holy crap.
Get your paddle down. Now go, speed. When Ben KLUMP says he was bleeding, can you see why? You made it. Through the tunnel, through the cedar tunnel. Stay on target, keep her straight. A little paddle, Oh, nice move!
Got it.
Ben went through smooth.
Catch up, boy. Holy crap. Yeah, stop there. Guys, this is insane. Look at that. I literally just flipped over and my kayak is literally dead. This is not your ordinary kayak trip. This is the wilderness. A lot of people say, oh, I want to go to Alaska. No, you don't. This is worse than Alaska. And let me tell you, the guy that's filming this has been to Alaska.
Your guide?
Yeah.
Yeah, this isn't an open course where this is trees and beaver dams, and you got to drag your kayak over these cedar logs to even get to the next spot. But that's what we got to do.
Oh my God.
Flowers are nice though, right?
What? I mean, I don't pay attention to it.
That's the bright side.
I don't pay
Look
attention.
how nice that red flower is right there.
I'm gonna go pick it.
Give it to my mama. Well, about to go into the unknown.
Good luck, buddy.
Yep. Here we go. I don't even know where Ben is.
Good job.
Here we go, boys. Oh God.
Come around. Oh, he got it around.
Yeah. You got it, boys. Tony with the good luck charm. Yeah, Tony with the clutched up. All right, guys. So we are currently, I don't even know where we're at. We have how much time left do we got?
Hours, probably.
All right. 2 hours?
Hours. This is called riding the log.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dude, that was epic. Was that awesome? Jack, what are you doing?
Towing my boat over here.
The Beaver Dam?
I don't know how
What number Beaver Dam is this?
That's 5. This is number 5. This is 7. 7? I don't know. I don't even know. I lost track of how many we. Basically, I'm stuck and I'm sitting in a lake because my kayak is just flooded right now.
Well, let's just focus on getting you down off this Beaver Dam. You were this close to having it. You just got caught in that other log.
Honestly. Where's Jack? Oh, he's chilling over there.
All right.
All right, we made it, guys. Not really. We went through some pain, some tears, some sweat, but we're
All right.
good.
Hit it. I'll meet you down there.
Got it. All right. This is far more intense than I ever thought we would get, but it's fun.
What are you coming across here, boys? Another Beaver Dam?
Yeah.
What number is this?
8.
Wow. It's fresh.
Very. My pants were just dry too. Crap.
Action. Get your leg in. Dude, that was awesome. Jack went for it, man. Dude, that was sweet. Did you see him just glide? That's the angle. That's the angle. All right, this is Ben KLUMP surfing the Beaver Dam. Oh, all right. I'm gonna come and just tap you a little bit. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You feel like that's the angle?
Yeah, for sure.
No way, dude. How smooth did that go? Here we go. Here I go. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah, boy! Did you look to the left?
Oh,
I don't know if it's good or not, but I'm gonna try it.
oh, screw it.
Careful. It's deep. I'm still going. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's open.
Oh, shoot. Well, guys, I don't even know where we're at, and we might be done, we might not be done. Tom, what's your
We got hours to go.
hours?
Yeah.
All right.
Would you recommend other people do this?
No, absolutely not.
I wouldn't recommend they do it either because I want it pristine, untouched, untapped. Nobody else is here. Have you seen a single sign of a human being being here?
Nope. Crazy. This is literally crazy. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Duck again. Yeah. There we go.
All right, what are you doing?
Well, we're going to pull me in here. I'm going to hope to get this water off me, or out of my kayak here. And we are just, I'm going to get out here. Lost a shoe. So that's perfect. 3 hours in. This is tiring. But
It's quite the log jam you're in.
Oh, you think? Yeah, hour 3, and I don't really have a...
Hour 3 of your 1 hour tour.
3 hours and 15 minutes in.
Everybody good?
Here. Yep, got it. Big. Oh, yeah!
3 at last?
Yeah!
And look at all those beautiful flowers and
Feel
butterflies.
that energy, Tony? Go, Tony. Getting close up North Outdoor Adventures here. We're not even, it's gonna take another 2 hours to get there.
It's
promise.
3:11. We're exactly 4 hours in.
Alright guys, so we're in here and we are 4 left turns away. About to be 3. So guys, this is a private property paddle. It's very, very nice. This is our second to last left turn until we exit and go back to the cabin. Guys, we're almost to the end. Thanks for watching the video and see you next time.
Say hello to your mother for me.
Hello, Mother. Oh, yes.
When they left, they were known as Ben and Jack. But now that they hit the land, they're now known as Beaver and Pine. Ben Klump's Up North Outdoor Adventures with Ben Klump.
That's me. It's him, right there.
He started the journey with Ben and Jack, and we've returned hours later.
Beaver and Pine.
Beaver and Pine.
Should we explain why?
He got the name Beaver because he went down about a 9-foot beaver dam, full speed, ramming speed, just kayak down, and he got the name Pine because he went 100% through the pines with no worries in the world, and that's why they're now Beaver and Pine.
We did it. Thank you guys
Private property paddling. Don't try it.
Thank you guys for
private.
watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.
Aloha.